What? Are you serious? How long have I got? Puspa, open the gate! Open the gate! What's this stupid boy? Open the goddamn gate! Why are you here?
Sir, we are from the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. We got information that the owner of this house is a drug dealer.
He's not a drug dealer.
Sure, we shall see. You, go in there, search everywhere for me. Search everywhere.
Sure, sir. Are you sure you are in the right place?
Sure, sir. We know where we are. Don't worry.
Hey.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Sir, you have to come with us to the station.
I'm not a drug dealer. I am just a visitor.
Don't worry, sir. You will explain that to my boss when you get to the station. You, march him out. Take him out of this place. March him out. I say march him out of this place.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Cause riches come, riches go. Hey.
My son,
Mama.
You have made so much money.
Mama, God has been faithful. I thank God. And I have saved up too. You see, I'm tired of bringing back my wares every day to the house.
Okay.
I'm thinking about opening a small shop where I can stack my wares and sell, you know, like a normal shop and pick up from there.
Hi, my son. I am so happy for you. That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey! Chineke.
I intend going to Onitsha tomorrow morning to buy the things I need. That's what I'm outlining and making budget for.
Okay. He's alright. He's a good one. Hi! Let me get your food.
Ezibon!
Hi! You need to eat, my son.
Yes, sir.
You need food.
Hey!
Money day, money goes. Sing it in a rumpio. Marana. Onye mazisi gechio.
You really saved my life, man. I mean, if not for you, I would be killing off in the prison. I owe you a lot. I mean, I owe you a lot, man.
Come on, Chris. you know you will do same for me. So there's nothing there.
By the way, let me ask you this. How did you get to find out about the invasion?
Wait, Chris, are you the one asking this question? You know there's nothing that happens in this city that I don't know about, especially this business of ours. Come on.
Of course. I should have known this. Man, you are the boss, man. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
So, come to think of it, what's your plan B?
Plan B? I'm actually planning on leaving the country. I mean, I can't keep staying here.
Don't be stupid, Chris. Don't you know they have their agents planted in all the international airports around the country? Look, I think here will be safer for you.
Think so?
Yeah, you just have to pipe low for now. Okay?
Yeah, I know, but whatever you say, I mean, thank you once more.
Look, drink up. Drink up, man.
Is this okay?
How many times will you ask me?
Mommy, I just want to make it better for you. Mommy! You're always complaining when I do it.
What is it?
Mommy!
Is this okay?
You have a call.
Fast. Vale? Yes. Oh. Ojiego. Where are you? What? What did you do? Where are you now? Okay.
Mom, what's the problem?
Your father was arrested.
Why?
The cocaine was found in Christopher's house, and he was there when the police came.
What?
Jesus Christ. Amanda, are you aware that your husband peddles cocaine?
No, I wasn't aware. How can you live with a man and you don't know what he does for a living?
Chris does not like it when I meddle in his business.
What do we do now?
My daddy.
We have to do something. What do we do?
I cannot go with you.
There, why now? My husband is your older brother, and you cannot allow him to stay at that police station for a crime he did not commit.
That matter is a complicated one.
Hey.
Drug case is a serious one, and everyone connected to Chris will be perceived as accomplice. Besides, I warned Ojego severally, but he wouldn't listen. Now see where his dogness has landed him.
Uncle, please. You have to help us. We know how he behaves, but he's still our father and your brother.
No way. Not in a case connected with a man he collected 2 million naira from as bride price for his daughter.
Life is not all about how you see. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. 'Cause riches come, riches go. Hey.
Bye.
Please, can you take me to the park? How much?
I'm gonna 150.
Eh?
150, sir.
No, now. 150 is too much now. The park is just down the road.
Ogana, 150, 12 don't cost, abeg.
Okay, how much is your last price, please?
Let's go 100 naira.
No, 100 naira is too much. Let me give you 70.
Ogana, 100 if you want to enter now.
70 naira now?
100. If you know, I won't come out here.
I know.
Oh, okay.
You have to help me. My father is in trouble.
Your father?
Yes.
What happened to him?
He was arrested by men of NDLEA.
National Drug Law Enforcement Agency.
Yes.
What did he do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Where is he now? Where did they take him to?
They took him to Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt?
Okay, I'm going to increase on that.
Just go.
I beg you, shut up, no, they can't.
Move this bike!
I want for me. The man dropping on you. Come on, your leg, brother.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow. Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio, uamarana. Onye mazisi gechezechio. Onye mazisi gechezechio. Opukwano onye. Onye mambo geme. Onye makwano. Onye mambo ga. Uchechukwo. Onye mambo geme.
Amanda,
Mommy,
you really need to calm down.
what if something has happened to him?
Nothing has happened to me.
So, why is his number switched off?
Amanda, it is only natural for his phone to be switched off, since the drug agents are after him.
Me? Why me? Why my marriage?
It's okay. Come. Everything is fine. It is fine.
Life is not all about how you see it. How you see it today, it's not how it will be tomorrow.
Please, my son, get me out of this place, and I'll pay you back every dime you spent to get me out.
Sir, you don't have to beg me to do this. If I did not intend to help you, I wouldn't be here. I'm promising you I will do everything possible, everything within my powers to make sure you leave here as soon as possible.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, sir. 300,000 naira. That is too much now.
So you would prefer he spent the rest of his life in prison?
No, that's not what I'm saying, sir. Listen, he's not a drug peddler. He's just a victim of circumstance.
That is life for you, my dear. He was at the right place at the wrong time.
Okay, well, see, that amount is too much. We cannot afford it.
So how much can you afford?
Money day, money goes. Simpi dinarumpio, uamarana. Onye mazisi gechezechio. Onye mazisi gechezechio.
Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Don't mention that. Wait. Again. Iked. Yes, it's time for you to go, eh?
Hey.
I am so grateful for your efforts. Thank you. I'll pay you back in due time.
Ha! Ojiego, no now. That is not the right way to treat somebody who just brought you out of hell.
How do you expect me to treat him? Onyenkuzi? Teacher?
Take him inside. Offer him drink or even food. Okay, Semenu.
Alright, are you thirsty? Jesus. Or are you hungry? No, sir. You have heard him. He's not thirsty, he's not hungry. I should be on my way now. Thank you.
Leave them alone now.
Can you start the house?
Sing beat in a rumpio, Wamarana. Onye mazisi gechi zechio. Onye mazisi gechi zechio.
Is there food in the house? Food, F-O-O-D, food.
D-O-O-F, food.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be.
Chimamanda. Mommy. Why are you not eating?
Mommy, how can I eat when my home is shattered?
Try and eat. Okay. Ojiego.
What is it?
We need to talk. Is it true that you collected the sum of 2 million naira as Chimamanda's bride price?
What?
What is what there? Eh? Is it that you did not hear what I said or that you're pretending?
Who said so?
It does not matter who said it. Just answer the question.
Well, it is nobody's business how much I collected from my daughter's bride price.
Ah, it is my business. So what? No. Don't even try sleeping back. It is my business. Because I was the one who carried her in my womb for 9 months. I bore the labor pain alone. So it is my business. Hi! Ojiko, what kind of a man are you? So after collecting such huge sum of money, you still went back to him, begging him for more money to help your business. See what your greed has done to your daughter. You forced her into marrying a drug bearer. Now where is she? Eh?
Have you finished?
Have you finished? You cannot sleep. I'm not done yet. Ojigo, this is your mess. So you must fix it.
Agamekwelu na nwunye mbụ asa Jengolu balusi Agamechizi na nwunye mbụ asa Jeremebezia numpo Ijowa Mada sikwara namsi Jeremeke yofuo Mada jikwara makamuru Jeremeke yofuo
Ike, your shop is looking empty.
What is it?
Yes, so my brother, business has been bad lately.
I don't understand. Are you telling me you sold everything in this shop or you consumed them? Huh? Because you that I know is not a man that can do such a thing. Okay, let me assume you sold them. That means the money is somewhere else. Then why have you refused to stock your shop?
You caught me there, Chukwuka. I never wanted to tell anybody about this.
What is it?
I used all my life savings to bail Ojiego out from NDLEA custody. He promised to pay back in a week's time. Up till now, I've not heard from him.
Are you alright? Iker, are you alright? Oh my God. How can you do such a thing to a man who wants you to, in fact, a man who wants you dead in the police custody?
It was only a loan.
I don't care. I don't care. Ojiego is not a man that deserves such a thing from anybody. Okay, have you made any attempt to collect the money from him?
No.
Are you alright? Are you alright? In fact, now, as I'm talking to you now, you're going to his house to collect your money from him. Now!
No, it has not gotten to this now, Chukwuka. He promised to pay back. He said it with his own mouth. It's just that he hasn't kept his words. That's the worry.
Okay. Jesus. I can't believe it. A man who wants to dead.
Who are you? And what are you doing with my daughter? Speak now before I descend on you.
He's my friend.
Huh?
He's from the United States of America.
He's come from America. You mean Donald Trump's America?
Yes.
Ah. Is he the owner of this car?
Yes, sir. And he has money.
Ah. Oh, I'm very sorry, my son. But, Julie, why are you so callous to keep such an illustrious son outside?
Daddy, you know you now, eh? I feel how you react. That's why I didn't let him inside.
But you know I can't joke with such a visitor, huh? Now, open the gate, open the gate, open the gate. Don't mind her, don't mind her. Come inside and let's have a drink, yes. Open the gate. Yes.
Makoda, otherwise you. Ogada Kwago. Makoda, otherwise you. Ose mebe. Makoda, otherwise.
Open the gate.
Ogada Kwago. Makoda, otherwise you. Nekwa ose mebe. Ojiego one is you one. Ojiego one upon one. Ojiego one is you one. Ojiego one upon one. Nekwa Ojiego international. Ojiego one upon one. Ojiego intellectual. Ojiego one upon one. Ojiego one upon one. Ojiego one upon one. Hey jibi jibi, hey jibi jibi. Ojiego one upon one. Yoko, hi yaba yaba, hi yaba yaba. Yoko, Nekwa Ojiego. Hey jibi 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 jibi. Hey jibi jibi, hey jibi jibi.
So, who's your father?
You know, I'm a son of Lazarus, you know. Used to be a principal way back.
Oh, wait. Are you the son of Lazarus Omenka?
You got it right there. That's him.
Well, he may be your father, but I knew him before you. Because we were childhood friends.
Son, there you go.
You know, he was very crafty. I hope you're not as crafty as he was.
No, people say I look more like my mom, you know, crafty-wise. There you go.
You're welcome, my son. You're welcome, my son.
You know, my dad has been on my fucking neck, you know, to come home and get married, you know, feel me?
It's you.
You know, that's why I'm here.
Hey, he is a wise man, a true tribesman. In fact, God has directed your steps into this house. You are in the right place.
Thank you, old man. Hey yo.
No, don't mention it. Come, drink. Cheers.
What is
Cheers.
Is this American wine or something?
No, well, it's a good wine. It's a good wine. Very expensive.
Yeah, that's great.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
You like it? Good. Yeah. Hi. Welcome, my son.
Yeah.
Now,
Ojego get it connect, getting eliation. Oboda no gonna me. Ojego get it connect, come adoption. Chai, Oboda no go me. So therefore,
What are you doing here, kid? Have you come to disturb my daughter again?
No, sir. I have come to see you, sir.
See me?
Yes, sir.
What for?
Sir, it's been over 2 weeks since I bailed you out with my 120,000 naira. And you made a promise you were going to pay back at exactly 1 week. Since then, I have not heard a word from you.
You want me to pay you back? You want me to pay you back? I would have paid you back the money. But on a second thought, why should I pay you back?
Huh?
Why should I pay you back? What about my food and my water? My daughter has been feeding you and giving you to drink since. What about my daughter? You have been enjoying once in a while. Have you paid for all those? Huh? Have you paid? Well, young man, we have both served each other's needs. So, let's call it even.
Diego, that wasn't what you told me. Oh. You said if I gave you the money, you were going to pay back in 1 week. And I gave you that money because that was all I had. Diego, see. This, what kind of thing is this? What kind of temptation is this? That's my life savings. I used in belly you. You cannot come now and be telling me another story. Eh? Hey! It's what I can work at. Is this how this manage? Eh? Where do I start from? Who do I go to? What is this? Because what is this? How do I begin to raise that money again? What is this?
What is the matter with Otiego? Huh? How could he say a thing like that to you? After fighting you because of Mirabel, now he's not telling you I'm not going to pay you because you're having an affair with him.
I don't know. I don't understand what his problem is. So, see, my shop is almost empty. I need money to buy wares. I don't know what to do about it. Very soon now, I'll begin to lose customers and goodwill.
Is Mirabel aware of this?
No.
Why? Not about it.
No, I don't want her to go and have problems with her father.
What does Mirabel need to know?
Nothing.
Have you two suddenly gone down?
Your father. Yes? Don't touch you. Your father don't want to pay Ike back his money. The money he used to bail him from NDLA custody.
No, wait, Ike. Is this true?
It's not true. Your father did not say that. It's Chukwuka that is. Wait, Mirabel. What are you doing?
I'm doing everything.
Have you seen what I was trying to avoid?
And it's not telling
now you're going to create the problem that I was trying to avoid now.
Let her go. Here on it. Every day, Osego this.
Don't get me into more trouble than I'm in already.
That man must pay you back that money. Whether he likes it or yes.
Is it not my money? Is it yours?
Yes! Oyegom! One them came, you are my cousin. Oyegom, your money is my own money. You cannot mind your business, so your business is my own business.
Ojiego jikwa the cashier. Ojiego jikwa no the money.
Thank you.
Dad, how could you? How could you? What has the kid done to deserve all these things you're doing to him? Why are you paying his good deeds to you with evil? Why, Dad?
Mirabel, what's the problem?
Mom, would you believe that Ikedi spent all his savings to bail Dad? And now Dad has refused to pay him back his money.
Diego, why now?
Mom, you needed to be there. You needed to be there to see how Dad begged this boy to do everything he could to bail him out and that he was going to give him back his money. Now Dad has refused to give him even a dime, nothing.
Oh, Diego, why now? Eh? What kind of a man are you? What is it with you and money?
I don't owe him a dime.
Yes, you do. Dad, you owe him money, you know.
No, I don't owe him. In fact, he should be paying me money for all my food you have been taking to him. And he should be paying me for touching you. Because I know he has been touching you.
Dad,
Obasi?
even if he has been touching me, it's my body, not yours.
But I gave birth to you. I own you.
Mom, please talk to Dad. Tell him to give him back his money. The boy has nothing left in his shop again. He can barely feed. Please talk to Dad to give him back his money. Dad, please give him back his money.
Okay.
Mama. Good afternoon.
Hey, Mirabel, my daughter.
Mama.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. How is your health?
As you can see, my daughter, I am strong.
Mama, is Ikedi not in the house? I was wondering why he didn't open his shop today.
No. Ikedi went to work in Onowo's farm.
Why?
My daughter, Ikedi was attacked by armed robbers last week on his way to Onitsha. He lost all his life savings. He actually went to work so that he can make some money to buy goods for his shop.
Mama, you mean Ikedi lost all his money to armed robbers?
Yes, my daughter. He didn't tell you.
No, he didn't tell me. Where is the farm? I need to see him.
Somewhere down there.
Mama would have helped you with this, but I need to see Ikedi now. You take good care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Okay.
Take it easy, eh?
I will.
Hold on. Hey!
Oh my God!
Look at him. He has dropped me and picked Julie as his next victim. I wish she understands what she's going into.
I have a very bad feeling about that boy. But only time will tell.
How many yo. I'm gonna
catch you up later.
I'm on.
Hey, yo.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna catch you up later.
Oh, yeah. Okay, too. Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oyo. Umo oyo na bonu. Baby.